everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Instagram Reels templates. Instagram Reels is bite-sized video content that allows you to reach up to hundreds, if not thousands of viewers. One of the biggest complaints we hear though is how time-consuming it can be to plan, edit, and film your Instagram Reels content. Especially when doing this on a regular basis, which when it comes to Instagram Reels, you definitely want to be doing. So to speed up your Instagram Reels content creation process and to get you pumping out Reels like a pro, we're thrilled to be sharing everything there is to know about Instagram Reels templates. Instagram Reels templates gives you the ability to take the structure of your favorite content creators' Reels and use that for your next video content. And right now I'm going to dive in and teach you everything there is to know about Instagram Reels templates. So we're going to jump onto our Instagram right now and click the Reels button. Then scroll through your Reels until you find one that has the template button, like this one right here. We're going to click Use Template. So right away it's showing us exactly how the video was made. It's letting us know the duration for each amount of video or photo, depending what you decide to use. Now we're going to go ahead and click Add Media, and it says select up to 5. It already tells you how many pieces of content, media you need, whether that be photos or videos. It's totally up to you. And then the Instagram template is going to decipher how long each clip needs to be. So you don't have to worry about trimming anything. So I'm selecting my 5 clips. Click Next. Now as you can see, it's already been edited together. I don't have to cut anything, it's already synced to the beat, and I just click Next. Now this is where you can do your usual editing on your Reels, and then you would go to Next, and you can edit your cover as per usual, everything that you would do when making a Reel. Then you can share it right here and now, or what I recommend you do to batch create a ton of these and then save each one as a draft. Upload your Reel to the Plann workspace, schedule it ahead of time, and do that with all the Instagram Reels that you might have batch created. Once you've done that, you're set. Your Instagram Reels are all scheduled, ready to go. And there you have it. There's no more excuses of how time consuming it can be creating Instagram Reels when the templates make it so simple. And then Plann comes in, making it 1,000 times easier, allowing you to auto post and schedule ahead of time. Thanks for watching.